Hello friends, welcome to the Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer's affordable 4K 150Hz gaming monitor. So friend, the Acer Nitro XV282K B3 is an updated version of a model that has been available for a few years now, and friend, Acer did not do any major changes to overall specifications at extra 6 Hz on the refresh rate, and company has dropped the MRP by over half. And friend, it features wise we are looking at 28-inch IPS panel with HDR 400 support and 1 millisecond G2G response time. The panel is the typical 8-bit panel with FRC support for 10-bit tethering with 1000 per contrast ratio and a DCI P3 color gamut of 90%, and it also has AMD 3-Sync premium support with a VRR range of 48 to 150 Hz. The port selection consists of 1 DP 1.4 and 2 HDMI 2.1 ports and should also feature some kind of USB inputs and outputs. And friend, the older model had both a USB Type-C and Type-B input as well as 4 USB Type-E outputs. Hopefully this was carried over to the updated model, and there is also a high distributed stand with tilt and pivot support. It will be considered for 29.99 MRP USD dollar. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.